happened? No, I am not angry with you. I will not touch you. Ah, are you hungry? No, I don't have food. Sorry, I don't have food. Guys, the cat is here inside of this plants. I don't know what happened. Why are you angry with me? No, don't be angry with me, okay? He's inside and still, and it's very hot, you know, guys, very hot outside. It's around 5 o'clock, and this cat is here. Oh, do you want to say something? Huh? We're not enemy, we're friends. But the problem, I don't have food. Where are you from? Where is your house? Huh? Where did you stay? Ay, naku, naubusan na ako ng English sa'yo. Do you understand English or Arabic? Wata. Into when? Anak kalam Arabic, I speak to you in Arabic. Into when, ya baba? You're not, Okay, bye-bye. See you later. She's here inside. I don't know if she's a boy or a girl. Guys, this is... Say hi. I don't wanna touch you. Don't worry. I don't wanna touch you if you are afraid. Don't be afraid with me, okay? I am a friendly. We're friends, okay? Oh, we're friends.